everyone and welcome back to another football video once again because you like these type of videos. Anyway, we're going to be doing the post challenge for a change. First of all, we'll go with the left post, then the crossbar, then the right post. Nice try, mate. We've already got a ball that's going down, so yeah, left post first. Let's go.
Right, 2 in a row, let's get the crossbar now. Time to smash it. Oh, he's not getting it. Ref! No.
Time to smash it. Still on the left post. Disappointing. Let's go. And it's pathetic. Time to smash it. Again. Same place.
Get low when the whistle go.
That's how you do it, boys.
No, George is on the right post now. That was a good shot, that. It's looking juicy.
Bit of spin.
That's
That is-
absolutely glorious.
Oh, what spin.
That's
That is-
absolutely. I've just been absolutely roasted by my brother. Right, we're gonna do a deal. My brother's done a deal with me. If I hit the crossbar, we're gonna do sudden death. You might want to get behind the net. That's it! That hit! That hit! And that's popped.
2 balls down the drain and look at this one. Just done that. Can't pull it out though.
Half the bush out, right? We spend hundreds of pounds coming here. Appreciate these videos, guys. Anyway, I'm going to let George win this one because I did hit the crossbar. Shift out the road.
Sorry.
I did hit the crossbar, but I also took the bush with it. We've got no balls now, so we're probably not going to be able to record anymore. Anyway,
we will.
like, subscribe. See you in a bit.
Everybody gets high sometimes, you know. What else can we do when we're feeling